Welcome back to Vintage Nook, a place where timeless elegance meets everyday living. Today we're exploring home upgrades that make the biggest difference, simple yet impactful changes that elevate your space with refined charm and lasting beauty. From lighting and layout to architectural details, these ideas are designed to transform your home gracefully. So settle in, get comfortable, and let's discover how small improvements can create a truly luxurious, timeless atmosphere. Light is never merely functional, it is the quiet architect of atmosphere. Replacing outdated fixtures with graceful chandeliers, sculptural pendants, or classic table lamps instantly refines a room. Warm, layered lighting softens shadows, enhances textures, and invites a sense of calm sophistication. A thoughtfully chosen fixture becomes a focal point suspended in air. Whether illuminating a dining table or welcoming guests in the entryway, elegant lighting frames daily life with a gentle glow that feels intimate, curated, and beautifully timeless. Few upgrades feel as transformative as a fresh coat of paint. Soft ivories, muted sages, warm taupes, or gentle grays wrap a room in understated grace. These tones reflect natural light beautifully, enhancing architectural details while preserving a sense of serenity. Even subtle contrasts on trim or doors introduce depth without overwhelming the eye. With the right palette, walls become a quiet backdrop for meaningful furnishings, allowing your home to feel harmonious, elevated, and enduringly elegant. Small details often leave the strongest impressions. Replacing dated cabinet knobs and drawer pulls with antique brass, aged bronze, or matte black finishes instantly elevates kitchens and bathrooms with minimal effort. Hardware acts like jewelry for cabinetry, offering polish and cohesion. When finishes are thoughtfully coordinated with lighting or faucets, The entire space feels intentional, refined, and gracefully unified without the need for major renovation. Mirrors possess a quiet magic within interiors. They capture light, extend sightlines, and lend rooms an airy generosity. A beautifully framed mirror, whether gilded, carved wood, or sleek metal, adds architectural presence and classic charm. Placed opposite a window or layered above a console, mirrors amplify natural light and soften the space. Beyond reflection, they introduce depth and elegance, enriching the room with a luminous, balanced atmosphere. The arrangement of furniture defines how a room feels and functions. A thoughtful layout encourages conversation, comfort, and visual balance. Simply repositioning seating or tables can transform a crowded space into one that breathes with intention. Centering furniture around a fireplace, window, or statement piece creates harmony and intimacy. Allowing generous pathways between pieces enhances flow. When proportion and symmetry are respected, the room feels curated, welcoming, and effortlessly refined. Architectural details lend a sense of heritage and permanence. Adding crown molding, wainscoting, or subtle wall paneling introduces texture and dimension to otherwise simple walls. These classic elements create graceful shadow lines and depth. Painted in complementary tones, molding elevates even modest rooms. offering a quiet nod to traditional craftsmanship and timeless interior design. Your front door tells the first story of your home. Repainting it in a rich classic shade, deep navy, forest green, or warm charcoal, instantly enhances curb appeal with dignified charm. Paired with polished hardware or elegant house numbers, the entrance becomes welcoming and distinguished. It sets a tone of hospitality, offering guests a glimpse of the beauty and care that awaits within. Kitchen and bathroom faucets are touched daily yet often overlooked. Replacing outdated fixtures with refined silhouettes and warm metallic finishes introduces subtle luxury into everyday rituals. Whether curved and traditional or sleek and minimal, well-chosen faucets harmonize with surrounding hardware. This simple upgrade adds polish, elevating practical spaces with a sense of quiet elegance. Flooring anchors the entire atmosphere of a home. Refinishing hardwood to reveal its natural grain restores warmth and authenticity, enriching the foundation of every room. Layering area rugs in classic patterns or muted palettes introduces softness and cohesion. Rugs define seating areas, add texture underfoot, and bring comfort that feels both graceful and lived in. A feature wall introduces personality while preserving balance. Textured wallpaper, wood paneling, or softly contrasted paint creates a focal point that draws the eye with intention. When chosen thoughtfully, this accent enhances rather than overwhelms. Behind a bed, sofa, or reading nook, it frames life's quiet moments with depth, artistry, and timeless sophistication. Thank you for spending your time with Vintage Nook. I hope these timeless home upgrades inspired you to refine your space with intention and elegance. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more classic home inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I would truly love to hear which upgrade you're excited to try. Until next time, stay inspired and surround yourself with beauty.